Dear children, now we learn to match small letters with pictures. प्यारे बच्चों, अब हम छोटे हरूफ के साथ तस्वीरों को मिलाना सीखेंगे. G stands for glass. Now we search the picture of a glass. Drum and car, butterfly, fly, glass. Yes, this is the picture of a glass. So we match G with the picture of a glass. C stands for car. Now we search the picture of a car. Drum and car. Yes, this is the picture of a car. So we match C with the picture of a car. A stands for ant. Now we search the picture of an ant. Drum, ant. Yes, this is the picture of an ant. So we match A with the picture of an ant. D stands for drum. The picture of drum is on the top of second row. So we match D with the picture of a drum. B stands for butterfly. Now we search the picture of a butterfly. Drum, ant, car, butterfly. Yes, this is the picture of a butterfly. So we match B with the picture of a butterfly. F stands for fly. Now we search the picture of a fly. Drum, ant, car, butterfly, fly. Yes, this is the picture of a fly. So we match F with the picture of a fly.